Best survival foods for bug-out bags that are lightweight and nutritious. When disaster strikes, a well-prepared bug-out bag can mean the difference between survival and struggle. One of the most critical components is food, specifically, options that are both lightweight and nutritious. Do you want to learn about 126 superfoods that you can store without refrigeration for years? Click the link below in the description to learn more. Here are the best survival foods for bug-out bags that are lightweight and nutritious, offering energy, longevity, and convenience in compact form. 1. Freeze-dried meals, long shelf life and just add hot water. These meals are light, easy to carry, and nutritionally balanced. 2. Dehydrated fruits and vegetables, rich in vitamins and fiber. They're light, require no refrigeration, and make healthy snacks or meal additions. 3. Nut butter packets, high in protein and healthy fats. Single-serve peanut or almond butter sachets are calorie-dense and mess-free. 4. Protein or energy bars, compact and filling. Look for bars with high calories, balanced macronutrients, and long shelf life. 5. Jerky, beef, turkey, salmon, packed with protein and easy to store. Jerky helps maintain muscle and energy during long treks. 6. Instant oatmeal packets, quick to prepare with hot water. Great source of carbs and fiber, especially when paired with dried fruit. 7. Powdered electrolyte mixes, essential for hydration and energy. Easy to mix with water and light to carry. 8. Chia seeds, tiny but powerful. When soaked, they boost hydration and offer omega-3s, fiber, and protein. 9. Hard cheeses, wax-coated, surprisingly shelf-stable. A small portion adds protein, fat, and taste variety. 10. Crackers or hardtack, durable and energy-rich. Pair with nut butters or cheese for a more complete meal. Stock your bag wisely. Choose survival foods that offer both energy and endurance, without weighing you down. Do you want to learn about 126 superfoods that you can store without refrigeration for years? With these lost superfoods in your pantry, you'll be able to keep your family well fed during the darkest of times. Click the link below in the description to learn more. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.